Hey there people, how is it going? Good morning from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Today I'll be doing 4 fragrance reviews, one's down, 3 more to go. So in the second episode I'm going to be talking about Guerlain, and Guerlain fragrances are some of my current favorites. You know, like Guerlain was one house I was never really big fan of initially, because this house I feel a little bit mature and niche style. What I mean by niche style, their fragrances are not really always first sniff you fall in love immediately. At least wasn't the case with me. So I ended up buying many Guerlain fragrances in my journey. Some of them, let me show you, would be Vetiver. You guys know I love this one. From this particular line that I'm going to review, I'm going to show you someone like Guerlain Homme, okay? L'Eau Boisée, this one. Then I have this one, L'Ancien Guerlain Pour Homme EDT. I do have the vintage Liege, okay? Just showing a little bit, I don't want to rush. I'm not following any particular pattern today. Then this one, this is one of my favorite, Abbey Rouge. This is the EDP version, EDT version, sorry. And then today the one I'm gonna review is very close to this one, Guerlain Homme EDP Intense. This is vintage, very hard to find. So we're looking at, from the same line, Guerlain Homme Eau de Parfum. And I really wanted this for a very long time. Parfum Bangladesh recently brought the whole line, and I said, no, I'm not gonna just review it, I'm gonna buy it because I wanna own this. And I'll let you know for what reasons this is so good. So this is basically the EDP concentration. This is the more newer style bottle. And I showed you, this was the older style. These are this kind of bottles, the see-through ones, they are very rare to find. So this comes in 100 ml. I haven't seen a smaller bottle, but pretty much should be like a 50 and 100 ml. This is how that looks. French. Guerlain is French. And then that's how that box looks. The bottle here, I don't know if someone mentioned or not. I have seen UK Frag Guy, okay? He is one of my favorite reviewers. He reviewed this. I have seen him review, and I have seen Sebastian Zara, these two people's review. Both are my very favorite reviewers, okay? So I just want to tell you, same looking bottle the rest of them, but the juice color is so sexy. It's like, if you see it from the bottom, then you can tell it has this darkness about it. It has this gray darkness about it, and the bottle is very sexy to my eyes. It's very beautiful, okay? And the cap looks like that, typical sticker. I really love this juice color, okay? This one, it has this sexiness about it. It has this cooling, slight bit of darkness, and again, not completely dark. It has this transparency about it, okay? Just want to mention it, and let me spray this and talk about it. So this is a very affordable fragrance. Like for designer perfumes, this house, I don't know how they offer these perfumes well under $40, $45 for 100 ml. Fantastic value. In some countries you can get this for $30 something. That is in US or perhaps somewhere in the Europe. Prices are very, very good in those countries. Our country, it's like more like $45, okay, for 100 ml. So which is very good budget, especially considering Guerlain is a very up-class house. So let's spray this. The cap basically looks like that, okay. It's nice, it goes nicely with the bottle, and if you buy a tester, it will come without the cap. And this atomizer looks like black inside. And the fragrance, what you call the sprayer, it's very good, very, very nice sprayer. Look at this, okay, very nice sprayer. So this one I wanted for a few reasons. First thing is I love boozy fragrance. This is a boozy fragrance right here, and this one, it's mouth watering, I would say gourmand like. The main attraction of this perfume is the rum note. If you love rum, if you do drink, and if you do love mint, kind of like a fresh sweet rum, kind of like mojito accord, but this one doesn't have the mojito. It does have the mint and the rum combo, and it's a little bit different than the EDP Intense. And I'll tell you, they are not the same fragrance. This is supposed to replace the EDP Intense, which I'm talking about. This one right here, I reviewed this already. This one, it's more of a rum mojito. I think there was like more notes. I forgot floral notes and whatnot. This one has more different notes breakdown. It's a little bit darker compared to this. This is also a little bit dark, but this is more fresh compared to that one. And I'll compare it with one other fragrance that I have. They already, Sebastian Zara, he sort of did a comparison. That is Guerlain Homme L'Eau Boisée. This is the more transparent daytime version, if you can say, or more citrusy version or mintier version of this one. So this one, the EDP version that I'm about to review, is right in between the EDP Intense and the L'Eau Boisée, okay? This is right in the middle. So where does it fit in? This fragrance, I would say, amazing, amazing, amazing. This is a masterpiece, guys, okay? If you can buy a 200 ml, buy a 200 ml, because you are gonna get addicted. You're gonna be so attached to the perfume because you want to smell it more and more. especially for the first blast, you just love the sweet rum note. It's so addictive, okay? Amazingly sweet rum note. And this is hands down the best boozy fragrances in my collection, okay? So I am showing a little bit more enthusiasm because I really love this fragrance. I think it deserves more than just like, oh, it's a good fragrance, it's a solid one, check it out. No, it's an exciting one. If you love boozy fragrances, if you do want to wear something on regular basis, if you want to try something not as daring as something of By Kilian would be like, that those fragrances make you smell like pure, you are like intoxicated or you are drunk, you know, if you want to avoid those, this is the way to look at, okay? You can wear this all year round. In the cold weathers, you can also wear this because of that hint of darkness in this one, but it's more fresh than dark, okay? Absolute love, okay? This perfume is absolute. I mean, if you ask me, it's a perfection, 10 out of 10. All these Guerlains, more or less, vetiver. Sorry, give me a second. Yeah, sorry, early morning a little bit, the coughing starts. I'm really sorry about that, so I just want to take a break. I apologize. But the deciding where was I forgot. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, if in the market, if you look for a really good boozy scent that you can wear every day and it's inoffensive, not as dated, this is not dated at all. This is very, very modern, which is what I love about this modern interpretations. Some of the older Guerlains, like I have tried, let me tell you, say the Vetiver, you know, Vetiver has EDT and Extreme, I believe, but the older formulations that I tried of this perfume, it felt a little bit like some of the notes, it's a little bit like, of course, for the lovers of vetiver vintage, they'll love it, but you can definitely see the new versions like this are more modern and more, it goes with the current trend. So basically, that's what I'm trying to say. All this fragrance in those bottles, this is no less. This should be a niche line of its own with a very affordable budget. You know, like the price point makes me so happy. Oh my God, this is so good. This is so drinkable, so beautiful, juicy rum. All right. So there's a hint of, they say floral, but I also get something like, if you, I don't know what rum is constituted of, but something fruity in this, okay? So it's a very lovely daytime work. Even though it's a boozy perfume, you can wear this for your work. It's gonna smell very up close, masculine at the same time, approachable, okay? Modern perfume. So definitely Guerlain Homme EDP. I don't know if this is EDT version, but this is a stunner, okay? This is a perfection, 10 out of 10. You can definitely get a 200 ml. You'll never ever complain about the price tag or the value. Guerlain Homme EDP, check it out. And if you want more darker version, if you can find these versions, this is my gem, this is my hidden gem, this is a masterpiece for me. Guerlain Homme EDP Intense, this version, go for it. And if you want more transparent, like let's say you want even more citrusy, something for the gym, equal potency, L'Eau Boisée, this is also a fantastic fragrance, okay? So check them out, Guerlain Homme, especially EDP. Actually, I'm giving this 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and time to move on to the third review. Take care. Bye-bye.